Mornings. The birds are chirping, the sun's peeking through, and you? You're just praying for a miracle in the bathroom, aren't you? Well, fear no more. I've got the scoop on the secret drink that'll turn your morning grumbles into triumphant trumpets. Let's talk about that magical evening elixir that might just revolutionize your mornings. It's none other than, drumroll please, prune juice. Yes, you heard it right. Not the fanciest cocktail at the party, but definitely one that knows how to get the job done. Now, before you squinch that nose and say, ew, prune juice, that's for grannies. Let me stop you right there. This isn't just your regular old person potion. This is the stealthy bowel whisperer that could make even the shyest intestines sing. Here's how it works. Prunes, my dear friends, are not just shriveled plums. They're fiber powerhouses and natural laxatives. Mix that with a bit of water, maybe a dash of cinnamon for some pizzazz, and bam! You're ready for a morning that's as smooth as your drink. Imagine this. You sip your prune concoction at night, snuggle up in bed, and the magic begins while you're dreaming of Ryan Gosling or, a cheese platter. Come morning, you'll wake up lighter and brighter, ready to conquer the world, or at least the bathroom. Now for the taste, let's be honest, it's not winning any flavor awards soon. But hey, with a couple of tweaks like a splash of apple juice or a spritz of lemon, you'll be chugging down the runway to Relief Town like it's a happy hour favorite. So there you have it, folks, your ticket to a blockbuster morning. Why let coffee have all the fun when prune juice is the unsung hero of the breakfast beverages? Give it a go, and your gut might just throw you a thank you party. Cheers to moving mornings and hilarious bathroom victories. Remember, it's all in good fun and a bit of fiber. Until next time, keep your humor high and your toilets busy.